Hi everyone. Yesterday I got a message from one of my friends. After I posted my video, he wanted me to share this content about the tough decision to leave the armed forces when I took the voluntary retirement. He's also planning to do something similar, but he's feeling a little anxious about living the life that he's been leading till now. So, couple of things I want to put across. The circumstances for somebody to take a premature retirement would be different. They will decide at what point in your career you want to make that switch, and leaving your comfort zone is not an easy task for sure. But there are two things that I want you to tell before you take this decision. First and foremost, you need to be financially secure. Make sure that your finances are in line before you take this decision, because job security, financial security is a big thing which comes across with being serving in the armed forces. Second important thing is have faith in your ability. Once you go out and start working in the civil street, the years and years of experience that you have is going to help you in good street. There is no doubt about it. So don't lose hope that once you go out and you'll not be able to get a job, or you'll not be able to compete against the other people in the civil street. But at the same point of time, I want to tell everyone who plans to leave, take a premature retirement, that you need to upskill yourself. Look out for the latest trend in the market, because the world is changing very fast. You need to keep upgrading your skills to be in line with what's happening in the world, and that's like a good head start with your years of experience, decent financial security with you, and upskilling yourself. You'll be able to ace in any field. I hope that answers the question.